Hello, and welcome to the Great Meteorologist Challenge. My name is Mrs. Nalick, and I will be your teacher within this course. Before we learn more about what you'll be doing in this course, I'd love to share a little bit about me. First, I received my bachelor's degree in liberal studies through California Lutheran University before I attended California State University San Marcos, where I earned my multiple subject teaching credential. Since then, I have been teaching and working within an elementary school setting for the past 8 years, and most recently within an online digital platform. I have a great passion for teaching, and I continue to learn and grow to be the best teacher I can be for my students. For example, I'm currently working through National University's Master of Education program, which I owe my knowledge and understanding of digital literacy to. In all, I hope to pass on my love for learning to my students, and I look forward to getting to know and work with all of you throughout this course. Speaking of this course, titled the Great Meteorologist Challenge, you will be acting as a meteorologist or weather forecaster who's in charge of informing the public about a weather-related hazard that's heading towards your community. In order to protect your community, you'll need to teach citizens what the dangers are and what preparations are needed. Each week, you'll prepare to share your knowledge with the public and help to create a solution that will reduce the impact the weather-related hazard will have upon your community. As you work within this course, you will be able to identify weather-related hazards, the problems they cause, and probable solutions that reduce their impact. You will also analyze the quality of a design solution that reduces the impact of weather-related hazards, using the problems weather-related hazards create to support your claim. You will also design your own solution in a small group that reduces the impact of weather-related hazards. In order to meet these learning objectives and achieve your goal of informing and helping your community, you will be completing a variety of activities over this 4-week course. In week 1, you'll be doing most of your research. You'll be reading and watching videos about weather-related hazards and possible solutions. In week 2, you'll be sharing your opinion about the merit of emergency kits to help decrease the impact of weather-related hazards. In week 3, you'll be working in a small group. In that small group, you will be brainstorming your own unique solution to a weather-related hazard. And in week 4, after some reflection and revision, you will share your final PSA, or public service announcement, with your community. In all, your community is counting on your expertise to help them weather the storm. Are you up for the challenge?